Hello everyone, my name is Rahil from Brownwood Renovation, and we have been delivering basement renovation for more than 17 years. We offer tight planning, clean execution, and zero guesswork for the homeowner. You get transparent quote, and your project is managed by a professional team of Brownwood Renovation from start to finish with high quality control built in. Now I will hand it over to Jennifer to walk you through this beautiful basement build.
Welcome, I'm Jennifer. Today I'm walking you through a freshly completed 2-bedroom basement renovation in Mississauga by Brownwood Renovation. This space was designed to feel like a true extension of the home, comfortable, functional, and finished with quality craftsmanship. Right away, the living area feels open and inviting, with room for full seating setup and a media wall without feeling tight. It's perfect for family use, guests, and it's also laid out in a way that works really well for rental living. What stands out is the consistency. Clean lines, modern finishes, and a smooth flow from one area to the next. It looks great, and it's built for long-term durability. With 2 bedrooms, this basement gives you the real flexibility, extended family, home office, or a strong rental potential. 2-bedroom layout can increase usability and monthly rental value compared to a 1-bedroom. Here's the washroom, finished with modern large format tile and a custom painted vanity. It feels elevated, but also practical and easy to maintain. And this kitchen area is finished with MDF thermofoil cabinetry and soft closed doors and drawers, a premium detail that makes the space feel complete. Throughout the basement, you will see 9mm SBC flooring with antibacterial underpadding, a durable choice that performs well in any basement environment. If you're considering a basement renovation that can add real value and potentially create rental income to help offset the mortgage, reach out to Brownwood Renovation for a free consultation and estimate. Thank you for watching.